everyone, my name is Heather Marts, and I'm a proud member of the Crystal Lake Dawnbreakers, your local Rotary group here in Crystal Lake. As an effort to fight the pandemic, myself and fellow member Penny Johns Thompson sewed over 4,000 masks to help fight the pandemic. We were able to give these out every Saturday at our local farmers market right here in downtown Crystal Lake. We sewed children's masks and adult masks. We inserted these random acts of kindness card. Perhaps you got one. Well, we have a lot of leftover fabric from all those masks. So we are today going to teach you how to sew a bookmark out of these leftover scraps of fabric. All right, to get started on your bookmark, here are the things you'll need. You will need a sewing machine, an iron, 2 pieces of fabric that are 9 by 1.5 inches, 1 piece of Pellon 72, and that is a stabilizer. It's also double-sided, fusible, ultra-firm stabilizer. You can get that at any craft store. I get mine at Material Girl downtown Crystal Lake, and they always have it. It's wonderful. So this is what it looks like. All right, and you cut that the same length as your bookmarks. Now, you can use a pair of scissors, which is totally fine. You can cut that with a rotary cutter, and that's totally fine. Whatever you have, this is a very simple craft that everyone can do. The beginning sewer definitely can do this. Once to your ironing board, you want to make sure that your iron is on the steam setting and that you have a damp cloth. Now this is just a washcloth, and I just place it on top of the bookmark and then go ahead and press down with the iron for about 15 seconds. You will not rub like this. You just go very, very slowly, pressing down, making sure that it gets fused properly. Once it's fused, you have this. And you can already see that it is a stable bookmark. Now, step 3 will be sewing and getting it ready. Hi everyone. Once to your sewing machine, line up your bookmark, bring your needle down and your little foot pedal, that's this thing right here. Bring your needle down, go ahead and get it started. And you don't have to line up perfectly. If you're a beginner sewer, that's okay. This is just a straight line. And we're gonna begin. The machine is gonna be a little loud, so just watch it as it sews and you will get the hang of it. Now, I sewed a couple of stitches forward. You want to press your reverse button, go back, and then continue forward. The line should be fairly easy to follow. It's just a straight line, the one that you already cut lined up. Now, when you get to the corner, stop and then pivot, bringing your fabric this way so that you can make that turn a 90-degree angle. Pivot again, bring your foot up, pivot. I have my tripod leg here in the way, but it won't be that way for you guys at home. Then continue going to the other side of your bookmark. Now we're coming to the end. Simply lift up your foot, pivot again, come back. Now stitch down this side, the shorter side, the 1.5. You can reverse to finish it off. Lift your foot up and take your finished bookmark and clip off with your scissors, and I will show you the finished bookmark. 1 second. When you start your bookmark, you want to start off forward, doing a couple stitches, then putting the reverse on your sewing machine, go back, and then go forward. The reason you want to do a reverse stitch is to lock the stitch in so that it cannot come undone. That is not so important if you forget, because remember that you have fused the fabric to the bookmark. So if you forget that step, that is okay. You can see here your total finished bookmark. I hope that you can see the stitching up close all the way around. Any excess you can easily trim off with a pair of fabric scissors. Hi everyone, here is the finished product, our bookmark. After trimming the excess off with a pair of fabric scissors, we have this beautiful bookmark. Rotary wants to thank the Crystal Lake Library for all their services and this opportunity to serve you. We look forward to you picking up a free bookmark from Rotary, the Crystal Lake Dawnbreakers, when you check out your next book at the Crystal Lake Library.